Welcome to Trucking with Fitz. Today we're going to do some trucking, but we're also going to drive past a major accident. I know it involved two semis. Don't know if there's anybody else, but there were two semis on their side. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for some trucking. Morning, y'all. I'm just on here. I wasn't going to speak to the camera yet, but there's obviously a massive wreck here. Let's see. Looks like a rollover semi truck here. We'll get a better view as we get closer, but well, praying for everybody involved in this. Wonder what the story is. Wow. That's not good. Disrespectful here, but look at that. My goodness. Oh, another one. Shoosh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, guys. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage of that. Oh, I don't know what happened, but we gotta be careful out here. If you're sleepy, get off the road. I have no idea what the circumstances were. I'm not saying that's what it was. Anyway, we are on Highway 30, east of the 380 interchange there. About a mile, mile and a half, 2 miles, somewhere in there. Wow. All right, catch you guys in a bit. We are nearing our destination this morning. I didn't record any more driving footage this morning. I didn't want to. Still thinking about that accident. Rate. Let me know down below if you heard about that accident and what happened. I know some of you guys are from my area. Should be able to turn right now. All right. Not going to enter at that entrance. That looks like I would cut off that. Yeah, not doing that. We're going this way. No truck sign is for straight ahead, not for right-hand turn, just so you know. All right. Go ahead, Mr. Jeep Man. Take you guys right on into this place. Probably gonna stop at this Quick Star on the way back out. Use the restroom and such. I don't need any fuel. I got that on the weekend. At the Yes Way in Marshalltown. Sinclair. I don't remember if I've taken you actually in here before. I've only been to this store once before, I believe. We're gonna go to this end of the parking lot, and our turn in is right down here. Mr. Dodge Ram behind us is not real happy that we're going slower than he wants to, but he can go by me now. Okay. We are gonna get checked in. This store, my spot is right at the corner here. In maps, there shows to be another one at the far end, but I think this is, he didn't, mention the one at the far end. He mentioned this one. So this is where we're gonna sit. All right, we're done with Davenport here. We're actually at the Quick Star, right next to the Menards. Pulling out here. No parking, no parking. And this guy. Wonder if he broke down right there. Sort of seems like he might have. They might have. This is the good stop. I like Davenport. They were very quick. And this Quick Star here, right next to it, it doesn't get any more perfect than that. Doesn't get any more perfect. All right, we're gonna get down the road. Up on that accident, it looks like there's still some flashing lights going up over here. Let's see if they have gotten both those trucks cleaned up. Sorry, we got another half mile here. I could just see the flashing lights over the hill, so I figured I'd jump back on. Today's been a pretty clear day for driving for me. Thankful for that. A little bit of wind I'm going into right now, but for the most part, things are going pretty good. Don't know my next move yet. Just heading back to the yard. I'm sure they'll text me soon. Yeah, that accident was right up over this hill. So let's see what they've gotten done. It looked like it was going to be quite the project getting everything taken care of. Hopefully that guy that was on the stretcher was all right. He was sitting up, so hopefully he didn't just look all right. It wasn't a spinal injury or anything. Yeah, they're still working. They got the one truck taken care of, but oh, they got the second truck. Most of the way. And again, we're definitely pray for the people involved there. I post these videos same day, so this is Monday the 6th. You're gonna get it tonight. So if you think about them, do the same. It's recent. All right, we're obviously in Cedar Rapids now, as you can see from the water tower. We'll be back to the yard, hour 10. We're back to the yard. Let's do our normal process. Like to peer my head over here and see 12672s right there, light and low. That's good, good, good. We're going to Ottumwa. So, yeah. Here's to hoping that today is like the last time I was there, and they get it done quickly. They got 4 rail cars in yesterday, the day before, over the weekend. So that's really good news. Anyway, let's get this trailer parked. Got our trailer, and we're down the road a little ways. The Grand exit. We're gonna go south here and head down to Ottumwa, like I said, but we're gonna go do our load check. So that's what I'm taking you along for the ride for. First, I need to adjust my mirror so I can see. Okay, we're good. Let's go take a look-see. We're gonna check the straps on the far side so as to stay out of the way people. And then if we need to, do anything, we'll tighten them on the other side, because that's where the winches are. Good. On the looser side. We might have one we can tighten. Maybe there too. Yeah. I think the 2 that are on the Durarock or whatever it is, probably could use a little bit extra. A little bit of extra. My guess is those are the ones. Yeah. Certainly. I don't want to do a lot because this stuff is not. I don't want to hurt it. But we're going to put a little bit because we don't want to lose it. There we go. That's all we're doing. Want some beans? I'm guessing there's wind noise, and I apologize for that. It's windy today, as it will be for the next 6 months. Ugh. All right, let's get down to Ottumwa. All right, we're at the spot. Here's to hoping that there's no trucks in there already. Here's to hoping. I think I saw a truck that would have been in here go down the road a second ago. A P&S truck. So we'll find find out. We are out of there. It took 50 minutes today. So, as far as Ottumwa was concerned, that was pretty good. A little bit of Drake brake. Really hoping this light would switch before I got to it. Oh well. We're gonna get back to the yard at 5. I think I'm just gonna be done today. Not a bad day. Could have had some more miles, but I don't know. I have to do the math. I think we're at, so Davenport's 136, I believe. Ottumwa is 93 miles. This is one way. Hold on, I'll do the math later. I like to complain about Ottumwa, but the last 2 times have been great. And I haven't had to take any back hauls the last 2 times, which means I've been running on 2 lanes empty, which is just about my favorite thing to do, especially since how I'm paid all miles. So yeah, it's a good day. We get to drive back empty on 2 lanes. Highway 63 for a while, if you're familiar. First, we gotta make it through all the stoplights here at Ottumwa. It takes a while sometimes. Looks like we're gonna hit this one good. All right, we'll catch you later. Well, we're gonna close out this video driving into the sunset. We're almost back to Marshalltown. Drop our trailer and go home. Ottumwa went very smoothly. Very pleased, very thankful. I don't think I have my dispatch for tomorrow yet. Should be getting that soon. Hopefully. My guess is they'll send it to me when they see me pull into the yard in a second. They usually leave around 5. At least. Well, the 2 guys that dispatch, there's at least one of them that's still there at 5. So, yeah, today has been a good day for me. Not a great day for others, and hope them the best. Man, that's the kind of accident that you would be seeing, you know, in the middle of the winter when people slip off the road and roll. But that, oh man, it had to have been equipment malfunction or somebody just making a bad choice. You know, could have been, could have been sleepy. Who knows? Maybe we'll see it on the news and they'll tell us what happened. But for now, we know that that was pretty bad. And anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe out there. If you would, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you know more about that accident. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.